What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another edition of the Missing Tooth Mukbanger. And we are back on Travel Eats Travel mode because, as you know, this is part of the series as we are headed to the Carnival Radiance again. We are, what day is it today? Today is February the 18th, and we are here at TACOS Mexico. TACOS Mexico is a staple of my college time here in Northridge. We're actually in Reseda, just the city next to Northridge. But TACOS Mexico was one of the first establishments that I ate here, gosh, in 1993, y'all. 1993. It's been a very, very long time. The last time I think I ate here must have been like 1998. So it's been a very, very long time. We have not had TACOS Mexico, and I thought, why not come and have some TACOS Mexico, guys? So we're gonna go in there, and I don't know what the rules are to go in, but we're gonna have our mask. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. TACOS Mexico. I know y'all mad. Alright, guys, so we got our food. I'm really excited. So similar to what I did last time when we did King Taco. Don't mind, guys, because she is chopping something back there. She's chopping real good back there. Similar to what we did in King Taco, guys. I did get 3 tacos, so check that out. That is the carnitas taco. I got a carne asada, of course. And I got a pastor taco, so that's what I did at King Taco. The last time we were here in LA, we did this tacos. So that's what it looks like. Look at that. Fabulous. Fabulous. Alright, so we're going to start off with our asada as we always do. My mouth is watering, guys. My mouth is watering. They fill this taco up. It's $1.80, guys. They fill this taco up. Look at how much meat there is in there. They don't play with the meat. At the taco trucks in Stockton, the tacos are what, $2? You guys probably see me because you want to see the food, right? Ooh, this red, my mouth is watering because I remember this red salsa. The salsa verde. Oh, look at that. Come on, let's eat. Wow. Very good. Ooh, that sauce was hot. We ain't got nothing to drink. Ooh. Got waters in the car. Now look how good that looks, guys. Oh my god, my meat's falling, everything's falling. Alright. Let's get to their pastor. Pastor is marinated pork, and I think I'm going to put some red sauce on this too. Oh my god, these tacos are like so full. Did I take my heartburn medicine? Oh yeah, I did. I forgot if I took. Oh, look at that, guys. This is pastor, or marinated pork. Look how beautiful that looks. First bite. Just how I remember it, guys. Oh my god. Just how I remember these tacos. Now what I used to get here is just burritos, plain burritos. And really all they had back then, because we're talking 1993, 1994, they don't have all the stuff that you saw on the menu earlier. All they had was like tacos, quesadillas, burritos, and tortas. I mean, that was pretty much it. Now they got nachos, huaraches, gorditas. They got all of that, guys. I'm gonna save some for Bo because I know he's gonna want some. Let's go to so good. All right, we're gonna do the carnitas, one of my favorite. You know, anything fried is the bomb. So this is the carnitas, guys. Check that out. And we're gonna put some of this green sauce on the carnitas. Let's show y'all. Let me show you guys as we drip. Ooh, bitch. How you like the green sauce? You like the red sauce better? It's mild? Oh, it's mild, guys. So that is carnitas, fried pork. It's alright. It's not better than the pastor or the asada. This has a flavor like it's been sitting in its grease for like all morning. I put the red sauce instead of the green sauce. Let's check it out. Okay. I'm gonna get my pastor back. Bo left me a little piece of the pastor. Look at that. All right. Okay. I'm almost done with my. And guys, since we're on travel, it's about 9:45 right now. Almost 10. We don't have to check into the ship until 12:30. So once we check in, get through everything, we probably won't get inside till about 1:15 or so. So this will hold us over until we get into the Lido deck to do our first meal back on the Carnival Radiance reboot. Last bite. Alright. I'm full. I made a whole mess over here. That red sauce is good. It's not El Briense red sauce, guys. But it is red sauce. But I'm just shocked the tacos are still $1.80. Right? $1.80, y'all. Where do you get tacos for $1.80? We don't get them in Stockton. They be charging like $2.50. And they don't be filled up with all this kind of meat. You put a lot of meat in these tacos. All right, guys. This happens every time I try to end the vlog. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us again. This is Tacos Mexico. We are on Travel Eats, and we are going to be headed over to the Carnival Radiance port pretty soon. I don't think we have any more stops, and if we do have another stop, we'll surprise you with another vid. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll continue to see you on this series, Travel Eats series with Carnival Radiance Reboot. Bye, y'all. See y'all later.